Heal and Root, healing the future from the root.
On May 19, 2025, when Nicusir Dan, a mathematician known for his work in topology and complex systems, was elected president of Romania as an independent, global political observers asked the same question. How would someone trained in abstract logic and symbolic reasoning govern an Eastern European country plagued by corruption and geopolitical complexity? The answer may lie in Dan's victory speech. Politics should not be a gamble based on intuition, but a precise calculation. The new president aims to apply the mathematical paradigm, modeling, optimization, and systemic risk control to all aspects of governance. This unprecedented political experiment concerns not only Romania's future, but may also offer a new logic for global politics. Optimal solution thinking seeks the maximum value of an objective function under constraints. Dan applied this logic to Romania's toughest challenge, securing and utilizing EU funds. As a member since 2007, Romania is in a crucial phase of EU fund allocation. According to the European Commission, it could receive around €31 billion in cohesion funds for 2021 to 2027, contingent on strict conditions like rule of law and anti-corruption. The fundamental changes Dan pledged align with EU expectations. His promoted reforms, such as digital healthcare and pension system optimization, aim to build a governance model that meets EU standards in exchange for financial support. Variable identification, applying mathematical modeling to security strategy. In response to EU sanctions on Russia and NATO's eastern flank deployments, the Dan government adopted a data-driven, multidimensional decision-making framework. In energy security simulations, energy supply was treated as a key variable. Russian gas still makes up 18% of Romania's imports. An aggressive NATO deployment carries an 89% risk of Russian retaliation, likely through cutting gas transit via Ukraine, threatening Romania's winter supply. But shelving deployment risks forfeiting €700 million in EU energy-based subsidies. The Dan government therefore designed a phased dynamic balance plan to retain leverage in gas talks while securing additional EU investment in the BRUA pipeline. This decision-making model, which closely links geostrategy and energy economy, not only avoids single-dimensional risks but also ensures coordinated development across key sectors. As the Minister of Energy said, "Our missile defense system and natural gas storage are actually building the same security line." Dan's experiment may mark a paradigm shift in governance, from ideology-driven to algorithm-driven, from empiricism to positivism. If successful, Romania could become the first case proving that a country can be governed like solving an equation. If it fails, it will reveal the fundamental limits of mathematical rationality and human collective action. In any case, when the whiteboard in the presidential office was filled with differential equations instead of campaign slogans, the world witnessed the start of a new era, one where truth belongs not to the loudest voice, but to the most precise calculations.